my husband untuk istri tercinta, on one for lovers and the life.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My student, when I met you first time before 3 months, so that time I wish that you will become my life partner forever. But that time you denied and you asked me whether we know each other. And that time I left you, but that time angel said, Amen. So after few months I came back in your life, and slowly, slowly we came close together and we started love each other. And I pray that for all life you stay happy and peaceful in the protection of Allah, and I will love you always. Thank you.
Oke, boleh dilanjutkan?
Satu-satunya manusia